Pulls this one into the wind. It's just the sound. It's just the sound from last night. And again, downwind. High, onto the bank once again.
Now Irfan into Pooran. And it's very hard to contain when Pooran's doing this. And he goes short this time. Pooran swings, it's up in the air, it's with the wind, it's gone all the way. Oh! Oh, here we go again. It's like going to the driving range for Nicholas Pooran. Here we go again. Neither's fault.
And we are now witnessing the most amount of maximums by a batter in an innings.